So this video is going to show you exactly how to install a magnet vent. Magnets. How's my hair?
It's good.
Yeah, looks nice. Okay, why are we here? Good question. We are going to show you how to install a magnet vent. This has been something that we've posted many videos on, but we've never actually done a sort of tutorial how-to step-by-step instruction. There are multiple magnet vents that you can install. The one that we like to install is the 180 degrees. What that means is it comes right out of the wall and then attaches to your dryer directly straight through the wall. Not everybody's going to have this opportunity. Sometimes you're just going to have it coming out of the wall, in which case they sell a 90-degree one. But in our case, we ran our rigid ducting through the wall, and it's going all the way up, around, and outside. So this is our dryer vent right here. And what we want to do is we want to install the magnet vent coupling, and then we'll be able to show you exactly how it works when the dryer comes downstairs. So first thing you're going to do is take the two apart. This is what's going to eventually fasten onto your dryer, but this is the piece we need to worry about right now. A lot of people will have flexible ducting that's just connected to their dryer exhaust outside, and that'll coil inside the house and will wrap around to the floor. That stuff's all going to collect a lot of lint over time. So we really do recommend going rigid ducting, and you want to install it with the male end of every connection pointing outside so that the lint doesn't want to get trapped anywhere. And also avoid using screws when attaching the rigid ducting. You want to just use tape so that we don't collect any lint in the little nooks and crannies. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this. I didn't install an anchor on this side here because I ran into some framing, so I'll be able to put the screw directly into the wood of the framing. So we've got that attached to the wall now. You'd be surprised, but that's really all there is to it. I've got the wall connector here, and all I have to do is clip that. It's got 4 clips on it along the side. Those correspond to the clips on here. All I have to do now, slide it into its home. Now that this baby's locked in, that once we attach this to the end of the dryer, all you have to do is put a little extension on it, and as it comes in, it'll get locked in. And then you get a straight shot, straight shooter. These things are so foolproof that you really don't have to be anywhere near it, and it's going to connect. Magnets.